Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me Motorola G14, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not respond. So basically we can have this problem because of three different reasons. First reason is just because your device is damaged, maybe your device has fallen or something about it, and now you need to take your device to the customer service. In this situation, of course, you need to take your device to the customer service, and only in the customer service people can help you. But in our case, for example, my screen is not responding just because of Android system. Android system sometimes is freezing and screen and all system is not responding. And to fix it, we need to perform the force restart. To perform the force restart, you need to press and hold power and volume up buttons, and even if you will not see this pop-up window with the power options, you just need to press and hold power and volume up buttons until you will feel vibration. After you will feel vibration, you need to release both of keys. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.